today I'm going to show you guys how to make face masks using kinesiology tape straight out of my office. First things first, you want to make sure that you're working on a clean surface. So I've already sanitized my table here, and you also want to make sure that your hands are completely washed with some warm water and soap, which I've already done, but I'm going to go ahead and sanitize my hands again, okay? So I have my items laid out here on the table. I have my Gentle Power eye strips, a pair of scissors, my roll of kinesiology tape, and some paper towel. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my kinesiology tape, open it up, and I'm going to cut a total of 5 rectangles out. So it equals 5 rectangles. Okay, put that to the side. So there, this will be my mask. I'm going to fold it in half, so that way I have a crease down the middle. Grab my pair of scissors and gently slide down the middle. So that way I have a little cut in there. You want to make sure you don't go too hard so that way you don't ruin the cotton in the back, okay? I'm going to open up my mask and I'm going to put it here for the side, to the side for now. I'm going to grab my paper towel, cut one sheet off, fold it in half, my pair of scissors, cut down the middle, fold it in half again, cut down the middle, and then fold it in half again. Now one more time, just fold it in half. So this should give you a total of a couple of sheets here and 3" by 3" squares. I'm gonna grab my mask here, grab the edges, open up my mask just like that, and flip it on my desk. I'm gonna grab a piece of paper towel, place it in the middle, and I'll put that to the side for now. Next thing I'm gonna show you is how to apply the Gentle Power eye strips to your nose. I'm gonna fold this in half, cut down the middle, grab the flaps, and just fold it like that, okay? I'm gonna apply this to my nose, press down on my nose, and grab the flaps, and just slide it on my face, just like that. Now you can use just one nose strip if you'd like, because most of the injuries and bruising is caused on this area with face masks and goggles, surgical masks, sorry, and goggles. But I'm going to show you how to do a full face protection. So I'm going to grab 2 more strips, okay, fold it in half, cut it down the middle, grab the flaps, apply it on my face and just underneath my chin. So we're going to form a triangle on our face, okay? Second piece, same thing, fold it in half, cut down the middle, grab the flaps, and place it on the other side of my face. And then just gently keep pressing on the tape so that way the adhesive just adheres to your skin. Now the next step I'm going to show you guys is how to put the face mask on your face, okay? Here's my face masks. That's the back, that's the front. I'm going to place it on my nose. You want to make sure that you place it in the middle, and that way you're not covering the entire gentle portion. And just press on your nose, grab one side, gently peel off the back, and just slide it on. And now grab the other side, gently peel off the backing. And now to close off my mask, I'm gonna just close it off just like that, the bottom. So there you go, that's my mask. Here's the front portion, here's the side portion, and here's the other side portion. It's completely breathable. I can talk, you guys can hear me. I can also reapply it on and close it off again. Completely remove it off my face. And there you go.